Having a hobby is one of the best ways to make life more fun and colorful. Drawing, painting, reading books, and playing music are popular hobbies that help us express ourselves and discover our talents. Some people enjoy outdoor hobbies like cycling, hiking, and playing football, while others prefer quiet activities like writing, cooking, or solving puzzles. A good hobby keeps us busy, keeps our mind active, and gives us something to look forward to every day. It also helps us relax after a long day of studying and forget about stress for a while. Hobbies teach us patience, creativity, and the joy of learning something new. If we spend time on our hobbies every day, we will slowly get better and feel more confident in what we do. A hobby is not just something we do for fun, it is a special part of who we are.